Hi guys, Nerdy Panda here with a tutorial, how to troubleshooting, whatever you want to call it, really short video that I want to go through to kind of help out people who may be having issues with this. It's something that I had trouble finding online myself because I do not use a Wacom tablet. I use a XP pen tablet, and I noticed that whenever I tried to go painting in Photoshop or drawing in Photoshop, it would not work. And I had issues with first, it would only draw straight lines, it wouldn't do curves or do what I was doing with the pen at all. And so I solved that problem by going in the new updated version of Photoshop because I was using an older version. So it fixed that and it was all great. And then I went to go draw. It was going to be great. I was really excited to do my new Spider-Man piece. And then I had absolutely no pen pressure at all. It was like, you want to use line weight? Haha, not today. So I'm just going to go through and show you what I did to fix this problem. It's pretty similar to what you have to do with the Wacom tablets. I know you have to go in there and you have to change some kind of setting, and it's basically the exact same thing with the XP pen. It's just that I couldn't find a video of someone doing that, and I just kind of figured it out on my own, so I'm here to make a video to show it. And if there is a video of someone showing how to do it, I just couldn't find it. Alright, so in order to fix this problem, you are going to have to go to the screen where you can change all your express keys and change how your pen works and everything on your tablet. I am using an XP Pen 16 tablet, so I have the driver that goes with that tablet if that matters to you. If you do not know where to find this little icon, you have to create it yourself. So what you would do is in the RAR file that you downloaded the driver from, you would go to where it says common, and then down here it says plaunch.exe, at least that's where it is for me. And then all I did was I extracted it to one of the folders here, and then I went and found it and then right clicked it and made it a shortcut. So once you have this on here, you're gonna open that. Tell you that, say yes. And then it's going to bring up your little menu. So like I said, this is where you go through and you change your express keys, your pressure, you test it, and all that stuff. You can calibrate it here, all that good stuff. So at the very front on the info tab, it has these two boxes, okay? If your Photoshop is not working with the pen pressure, then that your supports digital link is probably unboxed. Because see, whenever I click it on here, and then I go to Photoshop, I may have to restart it, but we'll see. That is a huge brush. Let's see. When I go here, yep, see, no pen pressure whatsoever. Just the same line as thick as how you have the brush set. So, what we're gonna do is, when you are in the settings, okay, you're gonna click support digital link, okay? I know, I think it's like Windows Link or Windows Ink, or Ink, not Link. I can't read. It says like digital or web link or something like that, I don't know, for Wacom tablets, but it says supports digital link, so you're gonna click that, and then this is where I probably have to restart Photoshop. Yep. So we're gonna restart Photoshop. Alright, and then now when you come in, you should have pen weight. So whenever I'm barely pressing on it and then I press down hard, it gets thicker and it's lighter when I lightly press. Also be sure that up here at the very top that you have this button clicked on, because this is the button that actually controls your pressure. See, it says always allow pressure for size when off brush presets controls pressure. So that means that whenever it's off, that means that whatever you have the brush set to, I have it at 17, that it's gonna stay at that width. But if you have that clicked on, then when you apply pressure, that will affect how big your brush is. So if you're using an XP Pen tablet, be sure that you have that digital link icon clicked before you go in, and then you will be able to use your tablet just like you would in any other program. I have not had trouble with the pen pressure in Paint Tool Sai or Fire Alpaca with that option turned off. So I don't think it affects those two programs, at least from what I've experienced, but it has affected Photoshop. So hopefully this helps you, and have a good day.